Attic plane. And welcome back to Just Wing It. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, boys and girls. Welcome back, RC elevation enthusiasts all across the globe. We are with a gentleman who has a 1/3 scale Heath Parasol. So this is a
I'm taking off.
nifty little plane. It's been around since he said it was built in the late 1960s. This model right here, it was involved in a mid-air in the mid-70s. He rebuilt parts of it that were damaged because it was sitting in his father's garage and his father passed away, and he rebuilt it, converted it to electric because obviously before that it was internal combustion, and now it's flying here at the John Morgan Electric Fun Fly, and that's what this thing's all about. So here we have a plane that potentially is, well, I guess it is, 50 years old, RC model airplane, and it's flying. And it's flying really, really well. I'll post the specs in the comments, but yeah, just really, really neat. Just super neat. Heath Parasol. I know it looks a lot like the, oh, what's that other thing? Now the name escapes me. But
are we doing right to left?
it is a 1/3 scale model of an actual plane that was built in the 1930s. And it just flies wonderfully. Just flies wonderfully.
All right, coming in.
Coming in for a landing. It's just a beautiful little plane. Well, I say little. It's quite large, but oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Great job. Good job, Maestro. Good job. And so how big's the motor when you converted it?
I don't know that stuff. I was a glider guy.
Nice. Well, okay, you got to know the battery you're flying it on. Very cool. How big is the wingspan on it?
10 foot.
10 foot. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Love it. Got to fly so well. I mean, you'd never realize the plane's 50 years old. Jeez. Love it. All right, sir. Well, thank you so much for letting me join you out here today at the field. Wonderful. 1/3 scale Heath Parasol. Cheers, everybody.